Welcome to the Softaken PDF Champ tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the various features of this powerful software designed to make managing and editing your PDFs easier than ever. To get started, simply launch the software. You can either search for Softaken PDF Champ in your Start menu or double-click the software icon on your desktop to open it. Once the software opens, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. Here, you can easily browse for your PDF files and access a variety of options on the right side. Start by clicking the Browse PDF File button to select the PDF document you wish to work with. The software makes it easy to load any document you need. Now that your PDF is loaded, let's take a look at the powerful tools available. Softaken PDF Champ offers a range of features to enhance your PDFs, from security options to document editing and conversion tools. Need to protect your PDF? The Set Security option allows you to restrict users from copying, printing, or editing your document. Simply check the desired restrictions and set a password to secure your PDF. On the flip side, if you want to remove any existing restrictions or password protect your PDF, just click Remove Security and choose your options to reset the document settings. Want to brand or protect your document? The Add Watermark feature lets you add custom text or image watermarks. You can adjust font size, opacity, and position to suit your. Converting PDFs to images is simple. Just select your preferred image format, like PNG, JPG, or BMP, and hit the Convert PDF to Image button. It's that easy. Have a large PDF you need to break down? Use the Split PDF tool to divide your document into smaller files by selecting pages. This option helps you manage long PDFs more efficiently. If you need to combine multiple PDFs into one, click Merge PDF Files. Select the files, arrange their order, choose an output location, and click Merge. The software will quickly combine your documents. To add page numbers to your document, click Add PDF Numbering. Customize the font, color, position, and starting number. Then let Softaken PDF Champ do the rest. Lastly, if you need to remove certain pages from a PDF, simply choose Remove Pages. Enter the page numbers you want to delete, select your output location, and generate the updated PDF. And that's it. Softaken PDF Champ makes managing your PDFs quick and easy, whether you're securing documents, adding watermarks, splitting, merging, or more. Try it today and experience the power of Softaken PDF Champ. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe